Let me introduce you to a plant I remember from my grandmother's place, Nandina domestica. Now this is the original parent, which grows, as you can see, around about 2 meters tall. It's quite a good height, and in the industry market, in the nursery industry, we seem to have replaced it with all the dwarfs and the compact forms. And yes, they are nice and neat and adaptable to most landscape jobs. But this one, the old-fashioned one, can still make a statement if you want to use it in a landscape. That's its height. It gets its name as bamboo, sacred bamboo, because of the stalks that look a little bit like a bamboo. But the leaves are definitely different, and this one is about to flower. Let me see if I can find it. It's around here somewhere. Just around the back here. The flowers are just starting to come out. So as the weather warms towards spring and summer, it will be in bloom and the berries will be produced in probably summer, autumn. So stay tuned. I'll show you hopefully at a later stage this plant in bloom and in fruit, and I actually like it with all the orange berries, and I think it still has value in usage in some landscape jobs here in Australia or even overseas. That's Nandina domestica, known as the sacred bamboo.